Out here hiking with the adventure pack.
All right, we're back again for another video. Right now we're at Deep Creek.
Just the two of us.
Yeah, we're gonna do a 3-day, 2-night.
Is that what we're doing?
3 days, 2 nights. So let's go. And right now we're walking the dam. We got about, I think, about a 40-minute walk to that mountain right over there. Then we got to switch back up there. And we're about 3 hours and 40 minutes away from camp.
No rush.
No rush. Let's do this. You got a blown knee already?
Acorn down.
I think your knee will be all right. It's just this part. Once we get up this hill right here.
Yeah, my knees are fine so far.
You just got to keep an eye out for snakes right now.
You want one of these posts?
No, I'm good. So we're about a mile in already. The Columbias?
No.
Those are the ones I have for the snow.
I don't like Columbias.
I got those for the snow, and I have them. I only took them out like twice.
What about these for the snow?
Hell no, I ain't wearing no fur.
What's the fur? Acorn shortcut.
All right, let's do it. Damn, that breeze feels bomb.
Breeze does feel good. At least we have a breeze.
We should almost be there.
Bighorn in his house.
Yeah. Damn, I just want to jump in that water right there. It looks so good. Whew, here we go.
But I know that ranch area, I think it was someone's private property and they got like, they're getting irritated.
I heard they were charging
Yeah.
the part. I heard it was a ranch too.
Yeah. It's like they had to like drive through the ranch to get to there. It was like upsetting somebody. A ranch or somebody.
Probably the property owners.
Yeah. Ooh. And there's the bridge. Ooh, yeah, like I'm getting burned.
There she is. Yeah, I'm getting red too.
I'm red.
Yeah. Same here.
Oh, could have been those bushes we went through right now too though. So where's this spot at?
Probably like 15 more minutes.
Yeah, 15 minutes to the, it's like less than 15 minutes to get to the other spot.
Before the cave.
Yeah, it's like 2 minutes to the cave.
See a lot of mosquitoes.
I see a lot of weeds. Yeah, there's fish in there.
You see
Oh,
fish?
those are nice size too.
You see them?
Yeah, you don't see how big that one is?
Nuh-uh.
Rudy. Straight down.
I got bad eyesight.
Bro, he's nice.
What does it look like?
He's going this way.
Oh, wait, I do see something move.
See it? It's big?
A little bit.
Dude, he's pretty big.
Well, we can always come back and fish here.
How much farther?
Another 8 hours.
Ah.
All right. We reached the camp area. Now, we just need to find a shady spot. Yeah, see, that's it right there, but it's all in the sun right now. I think these are animal tracks. Look at it.
Yeah.
They're down there getting water. This is where the snakes could be hiding too. Yeah. Oh, here it is. Whoa. Whoa. Oh shit. Oh, blooper. Oh. Damn. I almost went down. I got like. Find some shade back here. You see it? Just in a flat spot. You see any fish? There's gotta be fish in here though.
Sure he is fishing over here?
Yeah, this was the exact same spot. That's what I was tripping out on. It was like a group of like 8 or 10 people. Look at, is that? Oh no. I'm trying to watch it for snakes around these bushes. This is where I'm gonna jump in and go swimming right here.
There's water. There's a fish right there.
Where?
Small guy, but decent size.
It looks like a bluegill.
It's an alright size.
Until we catch them.
Yeah. About the same size as that lure I had. The one I wasn't big?
Yeah, still.
Yeah, no, that would have been
That's
big.
right. I think they're gonna be hiding in there, but oh look, we left all our wood from last time.
That's it.
That's all our wood, so there's our firewood. There's our bonfire pit. Damn, no.
Shit you had on fire?
Yeah.
No.
So we lit this whole mountain up on fire.
You're crazy.
Yeah, still all the same as we left it.
Okay, and this is that's the bathtub right there.
This right here.
No, that's the bathtub. See how it spills out right there on the corner?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Think there'll be any fish in there?
That tree looked like it did grow some leaves on it for shade. Let's go check that out, because if that's better, we'll just grab our bags and go there.
Yeah, it's not hard. Looks like someone like filled this up with more rocks. Ready?
Seems like
Seems
that.
like there's more rocks in here. Like I feel like we used to be able to like we're on the sand.
Unless they got exposed from water just coming in here and draining out.
Maybe. It's a kind of feel like.
Because this was all sand.
Yeah, it was all sand. Checking for rattlesnakes.
Oh, they'll be chilling in here too.
Yeah, cool area, cool den.
Damn, this water looks good to jump in.
Not a lot of water, but it's water.
Damn, last time the water was coming to the right side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go like that.
See what it feels like. Oh, damn, this is warm. Oh, yeah. Oh, I didn't bring my hat. Oh, this was bomb. Oh, yeah. Warm, huh?
Yeah, warm, but it's not.
It's cool.
Yeah.
Like, it feels good. Let me see.
Yeah, it feels good. Oh, I see little fishies. Fish on! Fish on? Fish on!
Fish on.
Good one too, dude. Look at that one.
Here,
That's my biggest. That's my biggest one, dude.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Look at that one.
Oh, let's eat them.
Woo-wee!
What is that?
Bluegill. Got ourselves a little bluegill.
Damn, that's dope.
Size about the size of my face.
That's a good size right there. Or is
I
that a
didn't-
bass?
No, it's a bluegill. He's got the blue on his gills. Bluegill.
Oh, there you go. He's got some big eyes though.
You guys tell me what this is. Bluegill, right? Hey, so what are we doing? I didn't bring anything to fucking hold him with though.
We didn't bring nothing to put the fish in, huh?
No, I didn't bring nothing. Like a string or nothing like that.
Fish on.
Paracord would be nice.
Fish on. There he is.
Nice.
That's a good size.
No, I ain't catching the
There's probably only like 5 in here. All right, so here's a little bluegill.
Oh no.
Catching a lot of fish today. They're all bluegill. Last time, well, not last time when we were here, but about a year ago or longer, we were catching catfish and bass.
What you got?
But now, as you can see, we got the bluegill.
Is that a bluegill?
Yep, he was a good size too. He was edible. Fish on again.
Damn.
He's a little feisty one. Probably the same one. Here we go. Another bluegill. How many fish count is that for us already?
Yeah, I think we hit our limit.
We hit our limit. We hit our limit within like the first 5 casts. I can't tell which way he's getting. Here it is. Another bluegill. I want a catfish.
Fish on.
Where's the GoPro?
Tiny one. But it's on.
Fish is a fish.
Fish is a fish. Another bluey.
Fish on. Fish is gone.
Oh, you unhooked yourself. But
You got the needle nose?
Hey, there you go. We could make a little pond. Hey, fucking monster, dude.
Damn, it looks like we caught ourselves a keeper. We're gonna grill up.
Fucking huge bluegill. Can we eat bluegill?
I don't know, but we're gonna try it.
I don't want to eat it if it's not edible.
What's gonna happen?
That's a nice fucking bluegill.
That is beautiful fish.
That's a heavy one. Look, feel him.
You see? See his teeth? Oh yeah, he's got some teeth on him. Woo! Hold on. Yeah, not bad, but oh yeah, look at that. I mean, we got steak tonight, but this is the biggest one you caught.
Fuck, I need the fucking.
The needle nose are behind me. Look how beautiful that fish is.
Let's see,
Hopefully the GoPro could get him.
yeah.
Look at him. It's crazy. This is a nice fish. Damn, where'd you cast it at?
Far. Oh,
Woo, heard that pop.
It's just the fucking pliers.
Yeah, he swallowed that thing. He didn't want to let that
No, he
go.
didn't swallow it. It just it hooked him up here.
Here, hold him.
Release him.
No, get a photo with him.
Oh, like that?
Hell yeah. At least let me get on the GoPro.
You got it now. You got a good. That's a good fucking size.
Bigger than your hand.
Just throw him. He's good.
Here, let him go. That's your fish.
Yeah, let him go.
Here, do it underwater.
Oh, that's right.
Get it underwater.
Got him. I got the one he just threw in.
Probably.
I'm down. You got the needle nose?
Nah, I left him over there.
Might be able to get it with my hand.
Hey YouTube, Bighorn here. We're gonna do a fire pit with a shovel. Why do I talk like that?
I don't know. You talk like you're a miner or something.
Hey YouTube. This is Bighorn. Hey Instagram, this is Bighorn. Hey
IG.
TikTok, this is Bighorn. Go down the list.
Damn, that was a trip. I can't believe that.
I can't believe that
slide.
rock came down like that.
That was huge. So I don't know if you guys can see in the video. You guys can, but let me see if my finger.
Yo, we had
so,
like a rock avalanche. Well, it was just like two rocks
rock
came
slide.
rumbling down. Cause it wasn't like a rock slide. It was just two rocks.
They
It
were
was
boulders.
Two boulders.
Huge.
Not like super huge, but like I want to say like maybe like that big. Probably about that big. From where we're standing, that's what it looked like. It was
At least
something
like
about that
30-pound boulders.
big. The rocks can.
They carry a lot. Maybe it could have been more, but
Could have been more.
it came down.
That thing came
Around-
rolling down, man. Too bad we didn't have the camera rolling. That's what the
GoPro,
bummer is about.
yeah.
We didn't have the camera rolling.
Up here, all the way down this mountain, we just heard, like, what is that?
We're collecting
Thunder. It sounded
firewood.
like.
So we're collecting firewood, and then we just heard a loud noise like boom, 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 boom. We didn't know what it was, so we started looking all over the place. And then I looked up, and then I seen the rocks just tumbling down.
Yeah, they were big boulders.
And that's when I realized, hey,
We're just
those
not
are
sure.
rocks.
What triggered them?
So now Ranger Rudy's all scared of rocks.
I just don't know what triggered the rocks to fall.
Yeah, no,
It
that
wasn't an earthquake. I was just making sure there was no like mountain lion up there.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Yeah, there's some frogs right there. we're on a night hike.
Night mission here with Bighorn and Ranger Rudy.
Yeah. Let's go. We're gonna climb over some rocks real quick, so we're gonna turn off the GoPro. But we'll see you guys in a good minute. Nobody took our sodas yet? Nope.
Ain't nobody around.
Whatever tipped off those rocks, there has to be something around.
Yeah, that's true.
Alright, you can check it out. What? You didn't need to cross over that rock?
Well, if we're gonna cross it, we gotta go over here.
Oh, that's all the rain, man.
Yeah. Ooh, some fish.
Is it really?
Yeah, right there.
Oh, yeah. Turn the brights on so we get them. Oh, look, for tomorrow. Let's see if we see anything right here.
No, don't.
Here, you step down to this one?
It's just right there. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 small fish.
This ain't worth fishing for, right?
No, these aren't worth fishing for sure.
There's the view from the phone in the tent. Jesse's out. I'm about to knock out in a little bit, but I'm still up. Just waiting for the fire to go down. Feels good outside. Like, all right, so it's day 2. We're about to explore some more fishing spots. Got Bighorn.
Yeah, kind of legendary bluegill.
You did. You know what? He's casting. Let's see how deep this water. This water's deep. Make sure I ain't got nothing with me. Oh, this water's deep right here. All right, here we go. Hold on, hold on. That's a good size, no? Bring close to the camera. That's good. Man, he could have unhooked easily. Look at that. Beautiful fish. There's a bluegill.
There's a fillet.
Bring it close to it. Fish on.
There's another fillet right there.
Oh yeah, that's a good eating one right here. You got your needle nose? Here, let me hold the needle nose.
Down.
Here we
Man, I
go.
would love to be a fish.
Why?
Like, just
There we go.
crevices and shit is fucking beautiful. It's probably a hard life.
Damn, a lot of algae. Which makes it slippery right now. You know what?
No, I wouldn't want to be a fish.
I can actually walk upstream. Right there, towards the middle of the rock.
No, it's not outside. See? It looks beautiful.
Nice, huh? You see my footprints where I slipped? My whole sweater's wet. That's all I brought too, to keep warm.
It's
not too bad out here. But they said that storm's supposed to kick in, but what storm?
It's a little one, but it's a fish on. Oh, I ain't done that little bit.
Oh, that's a tiny one. Hold on, hold on. Yeah, that's a bluegill. All right, bring him in. It's another one.
Another one back.
All right, I gotta. It's cold, but damn, it feels
I
good.
don't know how this shit manages to do that.
There's rocks, but they're slippery. Oh yeah. Wow.
Kind of a really good spot to my hip. My leg keeps pushing on it.
For what?
Oh shit, I didn't realize that. Now I'm like handling it. And it's up.
Oh yeah, see, if you want to, like, see right there where the rocks are? That's where me and Josh went and explored.
Hey, what the hell's over there?
Nothing. You just got to carry that water thing with you. But it was cool. A lot of wildlife. Here we go. You know what the trip? This part right here is really cold. Like cold. Yeah, this part is cold. Like cold. This ain't my actual baby I take with me on hikes, but I ain't got no bears to encounter around this territory, but here it is. Let's see if a gawk could fire underwater. Here it is. Yeah, that was a mission climbing through the water. Woo! Oh, there you go. I camp right here with the tarp.